super easy. The only way I can usually tell where I'm at is by looking for the wire, the battery wire hanging out of the back of it. That's it has headless mode, which is, I thought, a nice touch for something that this is, it loses bind with the transmitter. So that's a bummer there, but I'm going to get me a Devo transmitter and do away with all these stock transmitters anyways when I do that. And then I'll be able to get some range out of it in flight, but I have to really keep it close to me because, if, like I said, you get more than 10-15 meters away, you lose contact. So you change the rates on this. The power button is right here, so let's go ahead and get it turned on. You don't have to hit the thing to bind it. See, it binds automatically. See, we're already hooked up here. Now this changes the rates. I think that's insane rate, and that's high rate. So let's get it in the air, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about on that. So get her up in the air. Let's walk over here. Okay, bank her to the right here just a little bit. Let me walk away from my trailer. So now here's, let me get it down here where you can see it. Come back. Come back. I'll get it down here right where you can see it. Now here's yaw rate. Here's the yaw rate. And okay, that's high. Okay, now I'm going to switch to insane. Okay, here's insane rate. Look at this. I mean, that is incredible there. Let me go into a funnel here, see if I can get it to do it. Look at that. Have you seen a funnel like that ever? Oh, come back. So like I said, this thing is a handful. Boy, when it spins that fast too, it kind of throws the accelerometers for